She's a lot better than she was a couple weeks ago. I don't know, she's been practicing. It's good, Ella. Okay. Very good. Should be a lot further along for 6 months, but I'll take it. There you go. A lot of practice, Ella. You're going to get good at this. That's right. We'll get you a new one as soon as you break the keys. Very good. Concentrate, Ella. There you go. Excellent. Excellent. Another half hour. We'll get it.